it's not Collision Max anymore. They sold. They did a great job on this. So we're at the Wmmr BBQ in Camden, and I remember when Caliber Collision did this. It wasn't Caliber. Oh yes, it was Caliber Collision. I mean, they did an amazing job.
Not the 102s. They're got the best seats in the
Sorry. So the story was, this was sitting on the street in Philly, getting tickets after tickets after tickets, and then they collaborated with Collision Max to restore it. Well, not restore it, to modify it. I don't know about the inside who did that, but I know that they did the engines and trans on it. So no.
You're going too fast.
He has a house down in Murray.
Is that crazy? $40 plus tax to park, fuckers.